is Shilpi. Today I am going to make naan with a very easy method that you can do at home. Today I am not even going to use yeast and oven for this recipe. You can make these naan on your regular chapati tawa. And trust me, they are going to taste nothing less than the restaurant naans. Let's start. Here is the ingredient list. You can also see in the description of this video. To start with this recipe, first we'll mix the dry ingredients together. I've taken a sieve, you can use any kind of sieve, and put it in a bowl. This is all-purpose flour. Put it inside the sieve. Add salt to it, baking soda, and baking powder. Sieve everything together. Now I'll put it aside and mix the liquids together. Now I'll take a bowl and add some milk to it, oil, yogurt, sugar, and water. Mix everything well. Today I'm not using egg. If you want to use egg, you can put one egg at this time. Now the liquids are ready. We'll need the dough with it. So this is our mixture of flour and soda. I'll make little hole in between. And I'll pour all the liquids in it. And just from the corners start putting the dry flour inside. Now mix everything together. Now we have to put water, but when you are putting water, be careful, don't put lot of water at a time. I'll sprinkle little water at a time and need a soft dough. Now I'll use very little dry flour to bind everything together. Now the dough is ready. As you can see, it's very soft. Now I'll take some oil in my hand. I'll gently rub it over the dough. Now I'll cover this dough for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I'll knead this dough once again. It's almost 15 minutes. Now I'll knead this dough once again. I'll take some oil in my hand. And I'll knead this dough once again. I've covered this bowl with a cling wrap, and now I'll keep this bowl at a warm place and let the dough rest for 4 to 5 hours. Since we didn't use yeast in it, this dough will not rise too much, but making it rest for 4 to 5 hours will give very soft naan. It's almost 5 hours. Let me check the dough. I'll take some oil in my hand and I'll knead the dough once again. Now I'll take the small portion and make the round shape. And I'll keep them and let them rest for 10 minutes. Then we'll roll them and make naan. It's almost 10 minutes. Now I'll roll these naans. So for this, I'll first put them in the flour and just roll it. Now I've rolled the naan. Now I'll take some water in my fingers and press the naan little bit so that it won't puff like pulka. Today I'll be making this naan on my regular tawa. This is iron tawa. This method works best for me. Even it's better than oven. Today I'll also be using this griddle to make the naan. This griddle will avoid the direct contact of naan from the stove. Now I'll take the naan and put the water side down, and I'll wait till I can see the bubbles. Now you can see the bubbles. Now I'll take this griddle, I'll put it on the stove and take this tawa and put it upside down. The naan will cook in few seconds. Keep watching it. We don't want to burn the naan. We just want few brown spots in it. Naan is ready. I'll take this out. Now we'll season these naans. So for seasoning, I have used this Italian seasoning, olive oil and salt. Or the other seasoning I have made with chopped garlic, fenugreek leaves, salt and little olive oil. Or simply you can use some butter. Serve these naan with your favorite curry. I'm sure after trying this recipe, you're going to make naan more often at your home. For more such recipe, visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.